Hello, we have launched two new products today for our printers. We have the Print Bed Cleaner and the Gantry Care Oil. We will also demonstrate on how to use the two products today. Let's get started with the Print Bed Cleaner. When you haven't used your print bed in a while and it has gathered some dust on it, you can use the cleaner to wipe it down, or if the plastic is not adhering properly because of external factors like finger oil, you can use this cleaner as well. Simply apply 1 to 3 pumps of the solution onto the print bed and then wipe it down with a piece of clean paper towel. Then let it dry for 10 to 15 seconds and you can start printing with it. After the application, you will find the PLA to adhere very nicely onto the bed. When the print is done, just remove it normally with a print removal knife. Next is the Gantry oil. The oil is for gantry maintenance. If you find your rods relatively dirty and the carriage is having troubles traveling along the axis, you can use it to clean and lubricate your rods at the same time. Simply dab 2 to 3 drops of the oil onto a clean piece of paper towel and then wipe down the rods in the gantry. Hold the paper towel against the rod and then move the carriage back and forth to make sure that the rod is lubricated evenly. Repeat the process for the remaining rods. That is the end of our tutorial. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video. In the meantime, keep 3D printing. Tinker out.